What is going on, everybody? How's it going, and welcome back. So I got some items in the mail from Amazon. I picked up all of this from Amazon except for the radios. Well, this radio I did. So this is the 5RM 10-watt ham radio from Baofeng. It has the notorious battery issues, just like the UV5G. There you go. So this is the 5RM. It's the 10-watt ham radio. It looks exactly like that UV5G Plus right there. Takes the exact same 5RH batteries. So it says UV5G Plus right there. So this is a Gmrs radio. This one is a 10-watt ham radio or amateur radio. I have my Wouxun KG-UV9GX Plus here, as well as my Wouxun UV9GX. This one I got from buy2rayradios.com. And then this one right here, the UV9GX, I got at bettersafradios.com, which there will be a link down below if you guys want to go check it out. You can get 7% off using my code ACM7 for anything on the Better Safe Radio website. And minimum I think is $100. But I picked up a few items here. So some of these are little patch cables. So this is a SMA female to a SO239 female. It came with 2 of those. I have 5 of these little 6-inch SMA male to SMA males. I have this 15.5-inch SMA female to SMA male. There's actually 2 of these here. So one end is an SMA female, the other end is an SMA male. As you can see, they're about 15.5 inches or so. Got 2 of those. We have this guy right here. We have 2 of these as well. So this is an SO239, I believe. I believe this is an SO239. It might be a PL259, but this one's a male. This side's a female. This one looks like an SO239 connector. Some of these connectors I get kind of mixed up because the 239, I believe the SO239 is one that has the ridges. You can see the ridges right there. And then the PL259 female, I believe, is just smooth on the top. It's smooth on the top like this right here, smooth around the coupler. But there's 2 of those. Those are about 8 inches. And then I got these guys right here, which are an SMA male to a British National Connector, or BNC, twist lock female. And then I have these right here, which are a SMA female. For whatever reason, it won't focus. There you go. SMA female to BNC female. And there's only 4 of them here. And there's 7 here, because I've actually used the majority of these. So these right here, which are the SMA female to the BNC, they're actually on these radios right here. And then they're on 2 more radios over there. Because I actually have 2 of these 5RMs, and I have 2 of these UV5G Pluses. They take the exact same battery. Just to show you guys. They're basically identical radios. These are the radios I did in previous videos showing the when you charge the USB through the USB-C port, it causes radio deafness to any other radio in 100 feet. And I did fix that issue when I bought these UV5G Pluses, or the not the 5G Pluses, but these 5RM radios right here. I ended up putting, when I got these 5RM radios, they came with these charging docks. So now you can charge the radios without the USB-C interfering. And the other radio, there's one here that's actually on which is a UV 5G Plus, and there's the other 5RM right there. So I have the transmission skid plate right there from Victory 4x4. I'm waiting for the engine skid, the transmission skid. That's the transfer case skid. I'm sorry, I think I said transmission skid. That's the transfer case skid for the 2007 4th gen, and the crossbar and everything. So I'm waiting for the engine skid and the transmission skid and the gas tank skid and the control arm skids and a few other things. But so these B and C connectors are nice. I actually have one on here. So the reason one's missing from here is it's actually on this radio. So if you just twist it, twist that collar, the antenna pops off. And now I could just, boop, put the antenna on this one if I want. Or say, I don't need the antenna on that one, but I need it on this one. So that's what I like about these B and C connectors. You can swap them back and forth. The reason I do not have one on the 935G is because I need to buy another one of these smiley antenna adapters, because these antennas actually twist off of a perspective adapter. So this is a smiley super stick. This one right here is a smiley rubber ducky. And then I have a little mini smiley over on the counter, or over here, not on the counter, over here. So here are the adapters I'm talking about. So these are all these little smiley adapters, and here's my other antenna. Oops, I just dropped. Here we go. So here's all the other adapters for the smiley antennas. Here's my little mini ducky smiley antenna. And you can see it's not attached to anything. It's not attached to one of these adapters. But these adapters you can get for $6 a piece. This is a male to a smiley. This one is a male to a smiley because I bought 2 antennas that came with males. So I bought 3 adapters. I bought that B and C right there. I bought a male and a female. So here's the female version. There we go. A little light on the situation. So male, I bought 2 antennas that were males. So they came with the male coupler, male and male. And then I got 1 antenna, the super stick I got with this female. And then I ended up getting it at 1, 2 males. Yeah, so this male, this female, and that B and C, I bought them separate. They were $6 a piece. This one has a female on it, and then there's a male and a male. So that's what those are. So I could actually just quickly thread this guy on if I wanted the little mini attached. That's what I like about these. I need to pick up a couple more of these B and C to smiley antenna adapters. And when I do that, I could just put a B and C connector on this one, and then just swap the antennas across. And then I got these right here, which are a B and C male, which will go on these guys, like so. And these are banana jacks that you can also unthread, and you could put wires directly attached to them. So you can actually turn this into like a 50-foot to the left and 50-foot to the right string style antenna. And then we have a SWR meter, Surecom SW102, and its charge adapter. So those are all the accessories that I've gotten recently. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And hopefully you guys are having an awesome year. And I got to go back to finishing the grave for Harley here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!